We're going to make some grilled peaches. And the first thing you want to do is slice them in half and remove the pit. Then go back in with a little spoon and make sure that there are no little pieces of that pit, because sometimes a little bit can come off and stick to the flesh, and you don't want that to happen. All right, these peaches were washed prior to, and now we're going to get ready to go ahead and get the other ingredients set up. I've sprinkled in a little bit of brown coconut sugar just here on the bottom, but I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to burn my peaches. I'm going to put this with just a little bit of salt on this pan. The other ingredients that you're going to need to make these peaches is about 1/4 of a stick of butter, because we're going to melt this butter. And just before we put the peaches on the grill, we're going to take and we're going to brush that butter onto the peaches. We're going to put in 1 teaspoon of this homemade vanilla extract. No, it isn't bourbon, but you certainly could put bourbon in here, and bourbon and peach goes really nice together as well. Tonight we're going to do the vanilla extract because we might have some people coming who wouldn't care for the bourbon flavor. So we'll go ahead and make them this way, and we'll do it with the bourbon next time. So we'll melt the butter first, then we'll put the vanilla extract. All right, let's go ahead. Our butter is melted, and get this vanilla extract right into the butter. Just going to give it a little stir. That's just going to add just a little bit more sweetness to those peaches. All right, we'll see about it at the grill. All right, we got that grill going. Let's go ahead and get these buttered up and on. All right, so in just a second, we're going to take a quick look and see what these first few look like that we put on. So let's just take a quick peek. We're starting to get grill marks, but not quite ready yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at these in the middle now and see what they look like. Oh, look how beautiful. We can go ahead and start flipping those. That one could maybe stay for another minute. Let's check that one. Let's go back and check our first one too. Not yet. That one looks good though. Let's go ahead and flip that one. Now let's check those two way off to the side. That one looks good. And that's all we're looking for, is these beautiful grill marks on the top. That's telling me that those have cooked just the way we want them to. If we wanted to, we could close the cover and this would probably happen a little faster, but because we're videoing, we're leaving it open. And we had all different sizes of peaches, so it's going to be interesting to see how these get done. All right, as you can see, we got some of them flipped. One of them's already come off. We still got 2 holdouts over here, the 2 biggest pieces. So here are our grilled peaches. Don't they look so good? I just want to bite into them right now. Now we're doing a little keto diet thing, so we're not going to be able to fill them with ice cream, but that's the way I've had them in the past, and that was so good. You also could drizzle honey over the top of them, although I think these are going to be sweet enough. We could put a little dollop maybe of whipped cream on them and enjoy them.